Hi everyone, let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. You see, it's kinda has a nice effect, so let's try to create that. At first, we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide, I'm going to format the background color to be white again, because I'm not in good with the black. Now we need to create these two things. There are two ways for creating them. First way is using circle and then break it. We are going to use this way. We create a circle by holding shift. Then we are going to simply align it center and then add a rectangle here and select all of them by Ctrl A and make them fragment. Save the both, shape outline to none, and select all of them and person by person align them center, align center. You see the first shape is created. Now we need to just simply color it the color we want. I'm going to go with black, and also I need this thing and this thing. Okay, let's take a look at them. The text is not something special and I'm not going to use it in that color, but let's color them black at first to be visible. The text is just a text with an outline. You see here, it has the outline, but I'm not going to use it. The easier it's better. And you see the problem here is that the text here is look pretty well in the background. So how we are going to create that effect? It just easily, you need to have two important things. One first thing is that you need two of these rectangles, one here, and copy these two and bring them here. And after creating that, you need to understand something. You are going to send all of them to back, and after that you are going to slide background fill, and also they are going to have no outline. But the important is that I'm going to send these two things to back also. So now we copy this slide and simply format the background to white. And now what we do, I select this, bring it out, and this is done. And also I bring it out and set the transition to morph. It's look as perfectly as possible. Let's take a look. You see, it's very nice. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice